Hey guys, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. In this video I will share my opinion about silver. I will talk about silver. Maybe I will share my my analysis, my thought process maybe, and yeah, I will talk also about a long position if, of course, if the price of silver will develop a bullish pattern. But first of all, please read the risk disclaimer, and don't forget to email support if you have questions, any question, and yeah, they will come back to you. And please follow us on Instagram, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you are not a VIP member and if you want to become a VIP member, please access the link posted right below this video to subscribe for only £35 per month and to become a VIP member. Yeah, so let's take a look here on silver. Unfortunately, yeah, I've told you here that maybe the price of silver could come back higher, but I've told you that personally I would have liked the price to retest the 22.681, 22.591 before jumping higher. I've told you that maybe the price of silver could develop something like a range pattern, like a continuation pattern, but unfortunately it has failed here to stay near the upper medium line, to indicate maybe an imminent upside breakout. It has failed to stabilize above the weekly pivot point, and yeah, we had a strong sell-off in silver, also in gold. So we had a strong sell-off in registered by silver, by gold, only because the dollar index, the US dollar, rallied after the FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, so fundamentally, yeah, and the fundamental factors dragged the price of silver down again. So let's take a look and let's talk about this major support zone. You can see that we had these former lows here, yeah, between 22.662, 21.899, yeah, and also we have a critical support here around 21.423, guys. Okay, this former low, the price failed to hit it in its previous attempt, rebound, and right now this strong sell-off maybe could bring us new long opportunities. Of course, if the price stays above the medium line here, test retest, and also test retest of this support zone, demand area, demand zone. So maybe personally I would look for longs, okay, around these strong support levels, downside obstacles, yeah, around the medium line. But don't forget that that tomorrow the US is to release its non-farm payrolls, yeah, the unemployment rate, and also the average hourly earnings. So let's also take a look on the economic calendar. But first of all, let's take a look here. And in my opinion, and technically here, I believe that something like this, if the price tests, retests, makes false breakdowns, prints maybe, I don't know, a bullish pattern here, a false breakdown with great separation, a bullish engulfing like here, please take a look, yeah, bullish engulfing, a pin bar, a false breakdown with great separation, or any other bullish pattern here, test, retest, false breakdowns with great separation could signal that maybe the price of silver could turn to the upside. Okay, but yeah, maybe the price of silver could develop something like a bullish pattern, could turn to the upside, could develop and could print a new leg higher, swing higher, if maybe the US economic data will disappoint, maybe will come in worse than expected tomorrow or something. So yeah, only maybe I believe that only if the dollar index will come back down, if the dollar index will drop again, then, and if the US dollar will depreciate versus its rivals, then maybe the price of silver could turn to the upside, because something like this, yeah, valid breakdown, yeah, test, retest, and a new lower low here, if the price of silver will drop and close and stabilize below 21.423, could signal a deeper drop. So let's take a look here also on the economic calendar. So tomorrow, unemployment rate 4.1%, yeah, from 4.2%, so potential drop. Also non-farm payrolls, average hourly earnings, yeah, so these are seen as high impact events, so don't forget that the volatility will be high around these events, and most likely the price of silver will develop and will register sharp movements. okay, around these high impact events. So don't forget, yeah, that maybe technically here a bullish pattern here, test, retest, false breakdown, great separation, a major bullish engulfing, or any other bullish pattern here in this support zone could signal maybe that the price of silver could try to develop a new leg higher towards the upper medium line. And I believe that's only something like this. I've told you, a valid breakdown, yeah, test, retest, stabilization below the medium line, stabilization below the 21.423 could signal a potential larger downside movement, guys, because if the price will take out this support zone, if it will make a valid breakdown below this support zone, then it will resume, yeah, its downside movement. Also, the pressure is still high after its failure to jump higher, to approach, to reach at least these immediate former highs. So yeah, we cannot exclude something like this, a valid breakdown and downside continuation. Thank you, guys.